Okay guys, so let's continue with the day 7. Today we will build a multi-city weather pod in n8n. What you'll learn for today is dynamically handling multiple cities with a single workflow. We will use the function node to format message based on condition. On this day we will have only one HTTP request for both city, and we'll combine multiple messages into one output. First step, you can have two triggers, the schedule trigger and or a web hook trigger that allow manual execution of the workflow by calling an URL. So for the production URL is this. This we will copy, okay, and we need to be the workflow to be activated, so the webhook to work. Okay. Second, we have a merge node. This merge node need to be on the mode append. That will allow us to execute the flow or from schedule trigger or from webhook. After that, we'll have the function node. Here we have define the cities. The purpose of this function is to create a list of city with their corresponding weather API URLs. So you have here URL for Timișoara and URL from Bucharest. After this, we'll go to the HTTP request that will appellate the JSON and the URL from the first node function. This URL will be appellated. Okay, and in the last node function, we have the purpose to convert the API data into readable message and handle condition. Okay, so you see the condition for cold, hot, if it's rain, and the weather that is normally in every city today. And finally, we have the Telegram node that you have the text also, the message finale. Okay, let's first appellate the schedule trigger. Execute. Okay, and you will see on the Telegram the message today, how much is the weather, and in Bucharest also. And now let me show you how you can apply from the webhook. So you need to select from webhook. Also go to webhook on production URL. You copy that link here. Okay. You send execute from webhook, and after that in browser you type this, and let's see. You see again, like the schedule trigger, we have the weather from Timișoara and for Bucharest also. Okay, let's return. So because we have, okay, we will stop it here, the webhook, and move to schedule trigger that can be used manually. Okay, let's see the condition again to see what it happened. So because it's 80°, we got this message on the Telegram. So let's test again. Okay, so we have 18 and 21 degrees. So the condition was is between 10 and 30. So let's put here 18 to see the difference. Execute. You see, you have today in Bucharest it's very hot. The condition was modified. Okay, let's modify back. Execute. And you have again the weather from Timișoara and Bucharest. That was all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.